It's a wonderful idea to bear in mind. Technology that makes parenting easier when choosing Christmas gifts for parents. No matter if the receiver is tech-savvy or not, the tech gifts for parents in this collection are easy to use. We're continuously searching for the newest goods to enter the market, and we've even tested some to recommend the best and most modern tech presents for you. In today's video, we'll outline the top 5 tech presents you absolutely must give your parents. Check out the links to the products in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of these gadgets. Now, without further ado, let's get on with it. If you're looking for a present for your parents, this is an excellent option to consider. Most parents put in long hours, and as a result, they sometimes experience physical discomfort. After a massage, their muscles will be tense, but with this device, they can relax even more. The KZ Deep Tissue Massager has been shown to alleviate muscle pain and stiffness, loosen knotted muscles, and relax the tissue around them. Athletes, fitness freaks, and those living with chronic pain can all find relief from this powerful massager. The KZ Deep Muscle Massager comes with 6 interchangeable heads, allowing you to relieve tension in any part of your body. As an added bonus, high-frequency vibration helps reduce muscle stiffness and exercise-induced discomfort. The battery is the device's most crucial part. The KZ Massager's long-lasting battery life of up to 3 hours means we won't have to worry about remembering to plug it in when we're on the go. It works wonderfully to speed up the recovery process after strenuous exercise. The KZ Massage Gun relieves soreness and tightness in muscles after exercise, and it's a pleasant experience for everybody. The 6 unique massage heads may be adjusted to target specific muscles, and the variable vibration speeds provide the option of a light, relaxing rubdown or a more intense therapeutic session. The next item is a surefire winner because everyone wants to give their parents something useful. They will appreciate the thoughtfulness and practicality of this present because parents are prone to misplacing things, though they may never buy one. Many people still think that smart trackers are a great idea. If you have an iPhone, you should definitely get some Apple AirTags. They can help you find your keys, wallet, motorcycle, car, or virtually anything else you connect them to. A nearby iPhone can be used to ping. Any iPhone may ping an AirTag attached to a lost object. Thus, unless you misplaced it in a remote area with no other people and no iPhones, it's likely that you'll get it back. With AirTags, you can always know where your keys, wallet, bags, and backpack are with the Find My app. Use the built-in speaker to say something like, "Hey Siri, find my workout bag," or to play a sound. Some iPhones have a feature called Precision Finding that will help you find your closest AirTag. If it's further away, Apple's Find My network might help you track it down, all in complete secrecy with the iPhone's Precision Finding function. You can quickly and easily locate your AirTag in its immediate vicinity. To help you find your AirTag and head in the proper direction, ultra-wideband technology displays both the distance and direction to your AirTag on a map. As long as you're within range of your AirTag's Bluetooth signal, it will be picked up by other devices in the Find My network. Using iCloud, these devices will transmit your AirTag's location, which you can then track using the Find My app and a map. Through the use of encryption and a random number generator, your privacy will be preserved throughout the process. Battery life and data usage are not issues because it is efficient. When you first set up your AirTag, all it takes is a single tap on your iOS device to establish a connection. Simply give your AirTag a name and attach it to the item you want to keep tabs on. The following item is an absolute necessity for any parent to purchase because of how handy it is and how much they will enjoy using it. Numerous health issues arise in aging parents and must be diagnosed and treated. If you want to show your parents how much you care, get them one of the many useful devices available today as a birthday or holiday present. A fitness tracker is a great present for anyone, whether they already exercise regularly or are just curious about how many steps they've taken each day. The Inspire 2 is one of the best Fitbit products and is also one of the least priced. It records multiple metrics, including steps, heart rate, calories burned, and sleep, and with the help of its built-in GPS, it can also document physical activities like running and biking. Active zone minutes are earned when you work toward your weekly goal of 150 minutes of intense exercise by using any of the 20+ training modes available to monitor your progress toward various distance, calorie, and other fitness-related benchmarks. You may calculate how many calories you are burning. By keeping track of your resting heart rate, this tracker can withstand water pressure up to 50 meters, so you can wear it in the shower or pool without worrying about damaging it. It will keep you motivated by letting you connect with friends, taking part in challenges, earning badges, and celebrating your successes. Get alerts on your wrist for incoming calls, texts, calendar events, and app notifications from your smartphone. Notifications and app alerts can be accessed on the device itself when it is nearby. In today's technological age, you could give your parents anything, but nothing would be as useful as the item that's coming up next. Insomnia is a common problem among parents due to the strain of juggling work and home responsibilities. This state-of-the-art electronic gear would be an excellent present for your parents on their birthday or any other special occasion. And bout of sleeplessness on Christmas Eve is not unusual, given the high levels of excitement surrounding the occasion. This is one of the few Christmas gifts and will still be helpful in the new year. There are a number of helpful things you can do that are presented to help you sleep faster. Simply tap the touchpad once to activate the 8-minute mode and twice to activate the 20-minute mode. Take deep breaths as the blue light expands on the ceiling above you. Inhale in advance, then exhale when it goes back. There's a chance the rate of expiration will be later than you planned. It's on purpose. It's one reason why so many individuals are ready for bed at this time. After a workout, Dotto turns off by itself in 8 or 20 minutes. It will occur when you are in a comfortable position for sleeping. Taking deeper, slower breaths by timing your abdominal breaths. With the light pulse, Dotto can cut your breathing rate in half, from 21 to 11 breaths per minute. Dotto is a light-based metronome that trains you to fall asleep without the need of pharmaceuticals. If you really want to help them out, the best gift you can give them is one that will help them unwind and feel special. In this case, this foot massager is the perfect present because the inner layers are so pleasantly smooth and silky. And because they retain heat well, their feet will continue to enjoy the greatest massage and therapy possible. Presents for both sexes: Mounttrack's electric heated foot massager with remote, a mirror face touch screen, and a remote are included. A classy look makes a wonderful present. Your friends and family will appreciate receiving this as a present. The perfect present for holidays like Christmas and Thanksgiving, as well as special days like Father's Day and Mother's Day, as well as milestones like birthdays and anniversaries. Relax with the massage whenever you like. Have open conversations with loved ones about your health, work to keep your body in good shape, and relish in the comforts of home living. The power on and off switches are independent. The foot massager has a heating feature that doubles as a way to stay toasty, while also stimulating circulation and the body's metabolic rate. In chilly weather, its soothing heat is a welcome relief, and it poses no health risks to anyone who come into contact with it. If you'd rather not use the heater on a hot day, you can turn it off. There is a zipper on the foot insert, so that it may be quickly taken out, because it can be washed either by machine or by hand. It helps keep the world a little cleaner and healthier. If you'd like it heated, it can be. The power on and off switches are independent. Keep your toes toasty while stimulating circulation and metabolism with the foot massager's heating feature. In chilly weather, its soothing heat is a welcome relief, and it poses no health risks to anyone who come into contact with it. What do you think about these presents that you ought to give your parents? These are, in our opinion, some of the most advanced technologies ought to have in homes. If you like to be amazed, check out some of our other videos as well. And lastly, our happiness is tied to those like and subscribe buttons, so please be sure to hit them on your way out. Until next time, goodbye.